So imagine it's the mid-90s. Webmail had just been invented, so nobody was using it yet. So businesses had to use mail, fax, or phone to communicate. Technological advancements have increased efficiency and decreased cost on communication, but the real needle mover has been automation, the use of technology to perform tasks without human intervention. Now, with the invention of computers, we quickly jumped from the first mainframes and transistors all the way to today's smartphones and virtual reality headsets. And now we have a new wave upon us: artificial intelligence. The technology that allows us to generate, classify, and perform tasks is now under our fingertips. We are here now, at the very start of the AI expansion, and we know this world until now, the world of bustling offices, tight deadlines, and the fast pace of business. We know what works and what doesn't. But what happens when we bring these worlds together? What happens when we combine everything we know about our industry with the power of AI automation? We wouldn't just be ready for the future, we'd be set to create something extraordinary.